population is not even literate. Forget about illiteracy.
Okay, any other?
Very less social interaction nowadays between such people.
Okay.
That will also be a challenge.
Okay.
And
Basically,
limitations of devices available with the people. So that if then the government has established the well-designed infrastructure, but approach or awareness of the people is also there, but they are not able to afford the things so as to utilize the features.
sir, definitely these things are there, but most important challenge in especially in India, basically that is in the developing stage, and basically with this COVID-19 pandemic situation also that should be taken care of. That is the starvation or hunger. Okay, somewhere I have read this document. I am not sure where I have written. We are 130 crore. Okay, that is the counted peoples, and uncounted. You cannot imagine how many strength we have. Okay, uncounted. Accounted 130 crore, तो accounted है हम जो हैं. Okay, and around for 20 crore to 25 crore जो है रात में खाली पेट सोते हैं सर. That is the main hurdle or biggest challenge when we are going to develop the smart city, sir. Okay, this is the big challenge when you are developing the smart city, because in smart city all the things will be automated, and definitely you have added the one word, smart devices will be there. Okay, and lack of devices will be there, device cost will be more. Okay, device cost will be more. That cost to increase होगी, इसमें expenses increase होंगे when you are going to achieve the smart city basically. So that will be a big challenge. That will be a big challenge. That's why one thing is there कि a lot of people criticize कि what basically a smart city project is. We are suffering from hunger and like that. It is a flop project. No, it is not a flop basically, sir. Whenever you are going to change the society, whenever you are, it is a revolution complete. It is a completely revolution, and it will make one society, that is the society 5.0, and humanity also, even humanity 2.0. I don't confuse these two words. I will take this one, what basically humanity 2.0 will be. That will be over this smartness. Okay, that will be over the smartness, or that will be over the era of CPS, cyber physical system. So these things should be considered, taken consideration. This is the big challenge. But another side, the key aspect is whenever this smartphone comes, okay, lot of people criticize in India it will not be popular. सब्जी वाला जो है वो 10 रुपए 20 रुपए में पेट भर लेता है. He or she cannot afford the 10,000 or 5,000 phones. But after the span of this 10 years, okay, within the span of this 10 years, you can see maximum people are using, small vendors are using this smartphone. So technology basically changes. Technology changes the everything, and but important hurdle is this factor. Okay, this poorness and the starvation or hunger. Is that clear, sir? And that's why it is a part of SDG also. That is, it is the part of Sustainable Development Goal also. So technology is seeking this one, and IoT promise for which goal?
Sir, goal number 9, sir.
Definitely,
Industrial
definitely.
infrastructure.
You remember,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You remember, definitely.
Sir, innovation industry and infrastructure.
Definitely. Have you got the point that I want to make it clear? What basically things are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now smartness in the smart city is city goals improve livability and livelihood for the citizens. ICT goals monitor and improve city performance and process. Okay, I hope this is very much clear to all of you. I will not go in a detail. These are the parameters of smart city design. These are physical, technical, economic, social, and environment. These are the multiple perspective and optimal design. Whenever you are designing the smart city, these should be taken care of. Normally, जो city design करते हैं, who will design the cities are basically architect. Okay, normally architect design the city, but architect is now replaced with the techno architect. Okay, and who is the techno architect? You and me. Okay, you and me, by means of adoption and designing of this technology. अब खाली architect ही design नहीं करते, architect will design the map the city. Okay, but एक तरह से उसमें जो soul है या एक तरह से जिसे कहते हैं breathe, who will feed the breathe, techno architect. Okay, and techno architect are nothing but who will provide the artificial intelligence solution, data oriented approach, and solution oriented approach with means of this technology adaptation. So these things are there, sir. These are the systems map for smart city ICT perspective. Okay, so many things are there. I will share this one. CCTV, infra and analytics, so many things will be there. Solar power backups, green buildings, uninterrupted power supply, parking system, smart parking, city security application, city cyber crime cell, so many things. All the things should be there, and most importantly, all should be connected either. Okay, forget about this one. You just remember my funda. You simply draw some circles, whatever comes in your mind, simply put it inside this one, fill the color and connect each other, and it will be the architecture of smart city. This is the planners and city administration need to be mindful for 6 key pitfalls going forward. Gaps between the plan and implementation, gaps in this one, translating and integrated plans into the silo-based procurement, gaps between the stated and actual governance framework. So these we face in our organization also, and repeatedly whenever we demand something, we require something. It's basically suppose sir some PC is needed to you in our organization. So how much amount it will take, sir? How much time it will take, sir, when you get this PC particularly?
So forward.
Anurag ji,
Yes, sir.
if you need one PC, office PC,
Yes.
and you
Yes, sir.
you make some formalities, whatever required, whether tender or whatever,
Yes.
through the portal also, JMM, whatever is there.
Sir,
Now,
sir, minimum 3
how
months.
much time of this you will get the PC, sir?
Sir, minimum three to 4 months.
Minimum 3 to
Not
4
less than
months
that.
when everything will be okay, sir. And it will be a very
Yes,
good
sir. And
phenomena.
sir,
Normally
yes,
it
sir.
takes 1 year, sir.
Then,
Normally it
yes,
takes
sir.
1 year,
Sir,
frankly.
normally in this position of fund, scarce fund flow, we are waiting for more than 1 year or 1.5 years.
Bilkul,
That's
definitely,
the
sir.
waiting period.
Truly, sir, you said this
Yes,
one,
sir.
and this is the
Capital
main
budget
factor
is not
between
there.
the
Yes, sir.
planning and implementation, sir. After 1 or
Sure,
2
sir.
years, your planning completely goes fail.
Yes, sir. Surely,
It is
sir.
not about the PC procurement. It is not about the PC procurement because
Sir, for all the capital expenses, it is the situation there.
sir,
All capital expenses.
definitely, sir. This is the problem. Government, especially in case of government organization, not only the BSNL,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So many factors should be
Yes, sir.
taken care of because we are binding
Sure,
towards
sir.
the tendering process. We need towards the so many committees will be formed. One will form the guidelines
Yes.
for this one. One will form the standardization also. So many things we need to adopt this one, sir. And so
Yes, sir.
that's why there is a gap between the plan and implementation. That's why it is mentioned here. Administration should taken care of about these factors: gap between the stated and actual governance, gap between the short term versus the long term objective, gap between the deployment and uses or usefulness, and further gap between the data transparency and the cyber security and the cyber safety. Another one is creating awareness and advocacy of the smart city initiative and citizens that we have already taken, and part of our today's assignment also creating awareness and training for smart cities initiatives and administrators and service providers to all level, inviting third party providers, that is the fintech companies, tech startups, citizen action groups, CSR fund, etc. to be participated. Use of ICT to spread the awareness. Use of ICT to drive and monitor behavior change. Consider the entire end-to-end value chain and find ways of impacting every part of the process. The important part is the ICT to spread the awareness. That is taken care of. Okay, because until and unless people are educated, this one, so it will be a no use for this particular whatever you are going to develop inside the smart city framework. Physical safeties, security, access controls and privacy at data centers and disaster recovery centers should be there. Policies, frameworks and process to ensure access control and safety measures. डिजिटल सेफ्टी, इसमें एक चीज और आ जाती है, ISO 27001 27001, that is the ISMS part. Okay, some standardization regarding the information security, that is the much essential part of this ecosystem. Another
Yes.
one is the digital safety, encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection, privacy filters, and data management at every level in the city ICT architecture, including the sensors and edge devices, sensor networks and connectivity modules, network design and connectivity, database, servers, cloud hosting platform, middleware, and applications. So these things should become there in case of cyber security and privacy. The important factor is third party involvement. Okay, third party involvement and how to secure your system with the how basically whenever you are using the third party involvement is there. One thing comes around the infrastructure, that trust, basically how to develop the trust, and your ISO 27001 basic or ISMS adoption will feed this trust in your model. Okay, that's why your ISMS plays a vital role inside the this one. Another one is the smart village. Have you heard the word, sir, smart village earlier?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like smart city, smart villages are also there. And as per the Gandhiji, India lives in a villages. And it is a still fact, sir. It is still fact, sir. अगर आपको अपनी सिटी की एक्चुअल कंडीशन देखनी हो तो जस्ट 10 to 15 किलोमीटर दूर आप जो है थोड़ा सा निकल के देखिए. So you will find the actual India. Okay, actual India lives in a villages. So until and unless you will develop the ecosystem, digital ecosystem for villages, you cannot make the smart India. If you want, basically it is your choice, basically what you want, smart city or smart India, sir. Definitely smart India will be there.
Smart
है ना?
India.
Smart
Yes,
India.
sir.
So if you want to make the smart India, whenever smart India, so until and unless you will achieve the smart villages, your dream will not come true. Okay, so if you want to achieve the smart India, so that means first step is to make the villages smart. And another name of village is a very important thing, sir. You note down this one. Another name of village is rural smart city. Okay, as per the government of India consideration, these villages are no more villages. Villages are the rural smart city. Have you got this one, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, smart city is equals to the, oh sorry, smart India will be a combination of smart city plus rural smart city. Neha, have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you will find inside the smart city, smart India?
Sir, Smart India first of all will be made from the connected villages called the smart villages. But Government of India has preferred a better name for instead of a village, that is rural smart city.
Yeah, definitely.
Located some 22 kilometers away from the city of Cuttack, Odisha's cultural and art capital, lies the village Kalarabanka. A few decades ago, life in this nondescript human settlement was untouched by social and economic development, just like any other village of India. Dr. Samantha constantly remembered the hardship of the poverty-stricken village folks and lack of opportunity for their children to experience the magic touch of the socio-economic development. He founded the Nilima Rani Charitable Trust, which undertook the task of modernizing the village under the leadership of his very compassionate mother, Mrs. Nilima Rani Samantha. He has developed the same village into a modern village by putting all city amenities life in Kalarabanka is not the same anymore.
As a new age farmer, John battles limited crop range and lighting supply. Volkabout IoT platform enables him to monitor and control delivery of artificial light to his farm. In order to utilize Volkabout IoT platform, John first sets up sensors and devices that measure nitrogen, pH levels, phosphorus, potassium, temperature, humidity, and isolation. Then, he describes these devices in Volkabout IoT platform with the corresponding units and measurement ranges. He can add an unlimited number of devices to the platform. Instantly, widgets start displaying real-time data on the dashboard, status of the whole farm, ingredients in a grow tray, level of isolation, intensity of light, high or low room temperature. Once the alarm is triggered, John sees an immediate update on status and gauge widgets and receives notifications. The isolation level has gone too high and he needs to react. In order to optimize the system and prevent critical situations, John automates processes by using the Volkabout Rule Engine module. He created the following rule. If the isolation level gets above the threshold, the lights are automatically dimmed to provide the optimal environment for the plants. John is now able to control all the conditions at all times and can be confident that the system is running as defined. Thanks for watching.
So are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Neha, what is that main key takeaway of this smart village?
So basically, smart villages can be made from our existing villages, and because there is an example called Kalarabanka village, which is
I am adding one thing. Kalarabanka of Odisha basically considered as a first smart village of India. Okay, first
Yes, sir.
smart village of India. Earlier it was the model village, and after that it is converted into the smart village. Some guidelines are there for the smart village, but much beyond the scope of this class. Okay, I will share if you want in the WhatsApp group what are the guidelines for the smart village, how you will decide if this village is particularly smart or not. Okay, so these things are there in terms of connectivity, and so many types of things are there inside that one. Basically it will be a digital, or there will be a digital oriented society. Everything will be equipped with the CCTV, multimedia sensors. Smart farming should be there. In terms of gram panchayat should be a illiterate basically. Okay, smart gram panchayat should be there. So these things will be considered as the part of the rural city, smart rural city. Okay, smart rural city. So yes, further.
Yes, sir. So, sir, it was noted that in year 2006 it was made a model village, and the things that were developed in that village was citizen knowledge center, then free Wi-Fi service, and then healthcare center, then the high school with 100% achievement, and then public libraries, CCTV surveillance, solar power plants,
Yes, sir.
self-help groups, drinking water projects were initiated,
Telemedicines.
Telemedicines, and bank with locker and ATM facilities, and
Yes.
Community halls.
Yeah, basically what I mean to say is here smart means basic amenities and adaptation of digital infra. Okay, this is the main pillar of this smart village. And if you are dreaming with the smart India, then you cannot ignore the contribution of this smart villages. First you have to make the villages smart, then you can dream for the smart city, and then our dream will true for the this smart India, for the smart India. And after that, intelligent transportation is also a part of this smart city. Satellite communication can be there. Okay, it should be, your infra should be connected to the smart satellite communication and mobile navigation. Okay, and this type of things will be there. Each and everything should be connected. Your road should be connected, in every infra should be connected. Okay, and UAV should be there, and your automatic toll collection should be there. And we are moving towards the smart society, and FASTag is the one example of this one. Okay, FASTag is the one example of this one. It is not only a FASTag. In later on phases, your vehicle image and your image will also be captured, okay, at some centralized platform. So it will also generate some data. So we are moving towards the society 5.0 and advancement of the society by proper means of uses of this technology in terms of whatever may be the technologies, because it is not a single technology involvement. There is an ecosystem, and every technology is emerging towards towards a unified platform, and it is not a single technology. Basically, involvement of each and everyone. That's why we forget about the application. Okay, forget about the application. We are developing the ecosystem, sir. So is that clear, sir? Up to this, any doubt for today's discussion, sir?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Have you are you satisfied with today's session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think
Yes,
it's
sir.
already 10:15. We can wind up the session for today. Sir, a few things I want to add. Okay, just listen me carefully. Tomorrow is the holiday for Buddha Purnima. Okay, so we will celebrate the holiday. We will not take any class tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, that is on the Friday, Mr. Ajay will take. I will send the details. I will share the details on the WhatsApp group. Okay, Ajay will take the class in the morning, okay, from 11 for the cyber security related matters, and I will take one extra class on Saturday, sir. If you all are comfortable, I want to take one extra class depending
Sure,
upon
sir,
your
sure.
timing, whether it is Saturday or Sunday. Okay, whether it is
Okay,
Saturday,
sir.
it can
No
be
problem.
Saturday or
Saturday
Sunday.
will do, sir.
Saturday evening,
Saturday will be fine.
okay, Saturday
Yes, sir.
evening from 8 I will take, and I will try to bind up the complete things that is related to the IoT ecosystem in that class, so that I can start the industry 4.0 from Monday, sir. Are you comfortable with this one?
yes,
No problem, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so Saturday I want a 3-hour session. Basically, I want a 3-hour session. So please have patience during the session, so that you cannot be fed up. So Saturday I want to wind up the session basically. So tomorrow there will not be any class. Friday Ajay will take the class, and this one Saturday I will take the class. Is that clear, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
From Monday, there is industry 4
Pardon,
class.
sir?
From Monday, there will be class on industry 4.
No,
From
sir.
Monday?
Monday. I think Ajay will take again. Ajay will contain continue with the cyber security in the IoT, sir. Okay, and from Monday or Tuesday, I will confirm in the WhatsApp group. I will update, sir. From Monday or Tuesday, I will take the class on Industry 4.0.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Have you got the things
Yes,
that I have told?
Yes, sir.
And what is the Neha? What is the today's assignment?
Sir, today's assignment is what will be your efforts to achieve illiteracy in society?
Yes, and what I require basically, I require your sincere or true efforts. Okay, within a 1 or 2 lines. Okay, within a 1 or 2 lines in a very short form, in a true or sincere commitment basically in a WhatsApp group. Jo hai. Hope you will enjoy and enjoy the tomorrow's holiday. Okay, bye and good night. Thank you. Good
Thank
luck
you,
to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you share videos?
Which one, sir?
जो आपने प्ले किए ना, बैकग्राउंड में जो आपने अलग से प्ले करते हो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे, कैन यू शेयर?
हाँ, मैं शेयर करूंगा. वैसे each and everything is available on the video recording, sir. You follow the YouTube link, sir. Okay, each and everything is available on the YouTube link, sir.
Right.
Okay, you subscribe the channel, sir. On the daily basis, I used to update this channel basically, and it will be very informative in the nearby future, sir. Each and everything I will try to upload on this YouTube channel, sir. Okay, only and only thing is stay connected with me, sir. Only and only thing is.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Good
Thank
night.
you, sir. We will meet
Good
on
night.
the Saturday, sir. We will meet, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Bye.
sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thanks to all of you.